Got the fresh lift kit on today. Fresh MCGAUGHYS lift kit. Explain to me what's going on here. Obviously we've got some 37 1350 22s, the fresh TIS wheels.
Brand new even.
Brand new ridge graps, beautiful. I'm assuming there's some color match going on the front. Got the new clear lenses, absolutely amazing. Boost auto parts, smoked lenses. Hell yeah.
Look at this right here. These are Escalade door handles, okay?
Really? Those are Escalade door handles?
Absolutely. Escalade color match door handles. Things like that make the difference.
That MCGAUGHYS lift kit is like, that's brand new. They brought that straight from the shop right over here.
Absolutely beautiful.
Everything's silver. Hell yeah, that's so clean. It's got everything painted black.
Look at this.
Spindles, control arms.
These are the finest touches. See, he's got LED load resistors here. That means he's got LED everything.
LED everything. This is a super clean truck. I don't know what the inside looks like, but paint's good. Look, he's even got, oh, look at that. Look at that. Are those the bump stop extenders? Powder coated silver with the blocks too. So clean, straight pipe. Man, one of the cleanest trucks. Got the aftermarket tail lights on it. Honestly, one of the cleanest trucks I think I've ever seen come through here. And I really wish I had a 2500 because I wish I could have this this drop bracket right here. That MCGAUGHYS drop bracket. I love that on these trucks. Beautiful, beautiful. Inside, real clean inside. Got the leather. Hell yeah. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Can't wait to see it done. Got the supercharged SS single cab too. That he works here. That one's not. I love that one. That's kind of like JW's old truck though. Ooh, I love that thing so much. Stop trying to sell your body in the parking lot. Who, you selling body? Look at this. Oh my goodness. I didn't really have time to eat this while I'm getting my seat all wet. An egg, porterhouse steak, and some mac and cheese. Oh my goodness. So amazing. My girlfriend is the best, I swear. This dude Malik really just drove all the way from his house with the back hatch open to bring me these wheels. That's so crazy. You came all this way with the...
I was gonna say, Rick, you got room in the back?
Like in the back there?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't really want to... So I need to know something. Do you guys like the older Duramax or the newer Duramax? Now I tried to get a video of this while it was over there, but they moved it and customers waiting to come pick it up, or we're waiting for the customer to come pick it up. But we got this 2015 or 16 GMC Duramax, pretty much the same thing as the other one. Crew cab, you know, normal short bed, just a lot newer. So we've got the, let's see, Open Country, the RTs on it, Toyos, with some, looks like some 24 by 14 American Forces, some 37s. These things are beautiful. Let's see, we got the Fox shocks, BDS lift kit. JW's gonna like that. Beautiful, beautiful truck. What do you guys like better? You guys like the newer body styles or the older body styles? It's always a tough choice. I wish I could get a little bit of a better angle. It's got Fox shocks in the rear with the straight pipe exhaust. It's a beautiful truck. Very clean, very simple. I actually really like this. I wonder what kind of interior we got in there. The black leather. The big screen, hell yeah. Sunroof, hell yeah, another sunroof. That's pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You like the newer Duramaxes or the older Duramaxes? That's always tough for me, but I think I'm gonna have to, I don't know. Still looks good though. What's up guys, a little bit of a shorter video today, and I want to apologize for that, but I'm really gonna make it my goal to give you guys some great content in the next couple of weeks. Starting tonight, we're going to a truck meet tonight, and I'm starting the wheel lights this weekend, so you guys need to stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, take a day off, take a day to rest. We're gonna hit it hard tomorrow. Thank you guys again for supporting the page. You guys are the best. I love you. I will see you guys tomorrow. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.